What's that?
Am I in your way?
No, I'm just documenting the truck.
Okay.
So what do you think happened?
I'm not involved in this investigation.
Oh, okay. Because it looked like it blew it up.
I'm not part of this one. So.
But the hood's clear over there. Alrighty. Well, something blew the thing up. It's not just set on fire, they blew it.
Yeah.
The hood's sitting clear over there, 100 feet away. Well, look at it. It's not like a fire, it's more like it blew it up. Because the fire, there's not a lot of smoke.
Blew the belt off?
The battery, everything.
Battery?
I mean, look at that. That whole frame got blown out.
Somebody stuck
dynamite to it. And then the hood, the way it got bent. Yeah, that's not a fire. I'm not seeing any fire damage.
It's a diesel engine too.
Yeah, diesel Cummins.
Yeah, there was no fire, it looks like. Just blew it up.
Yep.
Well, it must have been a working truck.
Yeah.
Got hay in it.
Yeah, it's a farm truck. He used to drive it around a lot. Blew the windows out.
Do you remember this truck?
Yeah. Yep. But these are the fields he's been helping Joe Knutson with.
David?
Yeah, they developed all this in the last, I don't know, 3 or 4 years. There's a house over there, a really nice one.
Yeah, I got a pivot going.
Yep. Then they put those
What
grain
did that
rings.
deputy say to you?
He said this wasn't his case, so he didn't know.
Oh.
He just asked if he was in the way for the. I says, no, I'm just videoing. You know, I guess he was just seeing who was coming over here.
Yeah. Huh. I want to take a picture.
Yeah, this is a stick of dynamite.
Yeah.
This isn't.
There's a light.
Yeah, this stuff got blown out this way. So I guess.
It's a fan.
Yeah, there's the fan. Very good. So it blew it out this way. That's about 30 feet.